How to redeem PayPal gift card. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To redeem your PayPal gift card, firstly, you can launch your preferred browser and search for paypal.com. Then click on the PayPal option. Firstly, enter your email address and password to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to navigate to the wallet section. If you are using the browser, you need to click on the three horizontal line at the top, then click on the wallet section. In the wallet section, you should see the option of select gift card and coupon. You can go ahead and tap on the option. After that, enter the 16-digit code, then click on redeem the gift card. Again, click on redeem button to confirm the transaction, after which you'll be able to redeem your PayPal gift card. Alternatively, you can also find some of the retailers that accept the PayPal gift card. Through this, you can even purchase gift items or some of your daily requirement. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.